What's up, guys? So at the very beginning of this year I was having some problems with the back, mainly because I had the baby, and then of course these kind of situations also makes a bit of pressure, and I even got a receipt to use a belt for my back. So what happens afterwards is that well, I had a very cheap chair, right, which I got from IKEA. It is alright for 1 hour, maybe just to play around a bit with some games and so on, but I decided to improve a little bit there for something a little bit better. So I came along this chair here. And so far so good. Let's see, this can go down, up, interesting, stays like that. Well, from what I see, these kind of things are not that. This area here could actually be improved somehow. You need to bring it up in order to bring it down later. And it goes down, or you can bring it up to a certain position, then you can do this. You can press here inside too. See? It goes to the back. Get to the side, to go forward. So it really looks very nice. Feels like it describes my back properly, which is the most important part for me. And these hands are not as good as I expected, but you have all the control of the whole chair just throwing like this. Let's see this. So this one here is in order to add more tension or less tension. Is less. It adds a bit more tension there. So this in order to keep more tension here into the back when you have it in this position, not stuck into a certain position. Here the lumbar is adjustable, so you can put it up. If you wanted to, then my only complaint will be in regards to these hands here. Although this is great because you have all the control of your system here with this. There's so many functionalities with this. And as an alternative, it also comes with the chance to put something here for holding your head for 100 euros more. So far so good. It feels good. It's nice. Yeah, I think this is going to help me a lot to have less of a pain in my back. It is kind of a big difference in regards to the price. This is about 550, 40 euros that I pay for the Neue Chair. But given the pandemic, then I need to have something a bit better for my back. So if you're looking at this video and you consider having these chairs, I think that even though the name is not that good for a chair, I think this could take a chance, because if the whole construction on it, from my point of view, it looks pretty nice. It feels good. It feels good. So all in all, I think that this is a great chair. I really like it. I enjoy it. It feels good. This is just my very first impressions about it. I've been working in software development for more than 10 years. I'm pretty much sure that when I sit in a chair, I have a little bit of a sensation of saying, okay, this is not that good, or this could actually have been improved a little bit there, right? So this one actually is something that I believe it would have been a lot nicer, would be the armrest. I think the armrests are not that as good as I expected. And the fact that you had to look into the sides in order to see where you are, and sometimes you had to go up in order to go down. Some of these things actually does not make the best user experience at all, right? It's a very small detail that I think that for a price point of 550 euros chair, we could have taken care of that. That's small detail. And the other detail is the naming. I mean, the name Neue, come on. You can actually come up with a much better name for it. I think that, I'm not saying that we should come up with a super name, but nowadays I think that people is taking away some of these ideas of good naming for things that they create. For example, you can see other places like the boring company. Why would you make a boring company? Okay, it sounds a little bit funny at some point, but on the other hand, it is like a very weird situation there that you say, okay, you're going to take a burger from Clown, or you're going to take a sandwich in Subway, and these things that you say, okay, why? I got the package from TNT. Why? Okay, some small things here and there that comes in regard to the naming that, of course, doesn't make it into the product. But other than that, I think this is a very nice chair, and I enjoy it. And in the future, I hope that I will make another video saying, okay, this is a good thing, this is a bad thing. So have a good one. See you next time. Ciao, ciao.